Now only LSB is 2, and after compiling, building, after programming, we are expecting the next LSB should become 2. Erasing, programming, verifying, done. Coming here, changing to the programming mode, resetting the kit, expecting 2 in the next 7 segment. Yes, 2 has become the next 7 segment because we have selected this PCF8574 by giving the 78 as address. Similarly, 76, 74, 72, 70 means all the 7 segments will display 2. Let us try something, one more, 78. Instead of the thing, I can go for MSB. I can give it as 70. You can give it as 70, which is most significant bit, this bit. So now we are making this bit to become 0. See, that's why 70. So compile, build. After building, you have to go for programming through Flash Magic. So this programming mode, resetting, and then start programming. Yes, it is connecting, it is erasing, it is programming and verifying. Done. So we have given it a 70. What is 70? 70 is the most significant PCF8574's I2C address, and we are expecting 2 here now. We are expecting 2 here now. It's programmed. So programming mode to execution mode. Resetting this. Yes, we are getting 2 here. Similarly, the other 3 7 segments can also be made as given informations can be given. So this is how I2C protocol in LPC2148 works. This is how we have to write the code, and this is how the I2C to parallel data transfer, which is PCF8574 works, which interfaces 6 7 segment displays with just 2 I2C lines, which is the beauty of this. And we have experimented everything in the LPC2148 development kit of VI Microsystems. Thank you very much. Now I2C interfacing is very clear. Thank you.